if you talk shit, he's just gonna ban you. I thought we were cool with that clan. Bill?
What? Oh shit, I hear a helicopter.
Were we cool with this clan?
Coke? Yeah, we were really cool with them.
Why are they banning us?
Coke?
Yeah.
Because our names are like as bad as douchey as you can make names.
But you didn't. I wrote, hey, this is Mark and
Dude,
Panda
you honestly
Swift.
think they know who we are?
Yeah.
This guy's been running like passed out.
This guy is either really good at a helicopter or really bad. Time to see if I have a gun in my Alice pack. Come on, get more stagnag. Oh shit, I just killed this helicopter. I didn't even notice that.
Wait, how do you kill a helicopter?
I shot it with my gun, dude. I have it on video too.
How'd you kill it? I shot it with my gun.
America.
America.
I was eating a Big Mac and I fired my gun there and took down a helicopter. Fucking
Oh, I see,
terrorist.
that's Oh, dude, I just got sniped.
Dude, there's a dude. There's either an admin there who's killing us.
I got kicked and they said, "Do you even lift?"